Welcome back, Steve. Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It's great. You guys have been checking it out. Good for you. Nice house, man. Nice house. Haven't been here since 2017. They have a Speed Queen dryer. Guess what happened? The element blew. So we're gonna figure this out, man. 2017, and they have my Periscope, so I don't understand it, but let's do it. Cool. Well, I'm gonna go outside and play for a few minutes. All right, now I've already been around and found the dryer vent because, hey, man, think about it. 2017. You know how many dryers I've looked at since 2017? Shit, one or two. Yep, one or two. So here we are. Of course, like normal. Even though that thing's not even connected inside, I want to take a reading before. I don't know, can y'all read that? Looks like 7 something. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Gotta get that out of the way. Okay, boys and girls. Man, look at that. Off the gates. I mean, literally blocking a ton of airflow. It's the elbow going to the Periscope. And what do you know? Alright, clearly I need a new battery. Yeah, I didn't know my battery was dying. Alright, now that I got blower in there, just run it through one more time. Alright, boys and girls, the only thing left to do on this one is to go back and check the air flow, and then I gotta clean up. But yeah, nah, it's what you gotta do. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. I know this airflow is gonna be better. It better be better. Better be better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. I can't remember what we were at. What, 750 or something like that? Yep. So now I'm just gonna clean these back off, but that's not too bad. I'm gonna have to do this outro like this because I gotta go, dude. I'm late. I'm running late. But hey, we doubled airflow here, guys. It's not bad. Hit that like button for me if you don't mind. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I don't know. The channel's growing. I love it. I just wanted to grow more, but I don't want to be greedy. Join me on the next one, guys. Cheers.